Michael Starr, 1 to 6. Number 1, right on top. Coca-Cola is boss. Used to be, if I like sugar soda, RC was my favorite. In order of it, full sugar, regular soda, not diet. RC, Pepsi, and then Coca-Cola. But in the diet game, which is what I drink, Diet Coke rules. Sipping on rum and cola. Anybody going to Times Square for the New Year's? Yeah, it did me too, Funk. At a very early age, I told myself I did not want to consume calories as far as drinks. If I was going to have calories, I was going to eat them. So I started drinking diet. It was terrible. Ooh, that stuff was rough compared to regular soda. But after about 3 months of drinking it, then I drank a regular soda. I'm like, man, the diet tastes better. Your brain switches somehow. It makes it taste better. All right, 50 of 99, Quinn Sullivan. Jose Cifuentes. Mikel Uri. Refractor autograph. Mark Anthony K is your 58. Julian Carranza, 199 mini blue diamonds. Eric Lopez. Giorgio's Janino, 199 flashback. Blue wave. Sergey Nagoma. Kasper Presbitsko. Miguel Perez. You got a gold mini diamond flashback of Janino. First one stamped. 1 of 50. You got his blue and his mini diamond gold. Michael Ure. Aiden Morris. Christian Roldan. Aqua 58. Oh, it's on the bottom. 35 of 99. Indiana Vasilev. That one's 199. You got an orange. Nicholas Giacchini. 11 of 25. John Tolkien. 125. Martin Oyeta. Dennis Buanga. Jesus Ferreira. Paxton Pamikal. 199 mini diamond blue. Matai and base. All right, Michael Starr. All of this. Color out of the yin yang. I'll ship all of this with sleeves and box.